go into the how to use, let you guys know that these products are best used for oily skin. Really focused on removing any excess oil and leaving the skin nice and firm how it should be. Also, the toner and the emulsion are a little different than the others, the Skin House products, because they don't have pumps. These you'll actually have to open up the cap and put the product either on the cotton or on your hand to use it. The serum does have a pump. I'm gonna go ahead and show you first the toner. So as you can see, a lot of the product is down at the bottom. So before using it, you want to actually go ahead and shake it up a little bit to mix up all of the ingredients. And personally, I like to use cotton pads. And it also has a protectant seal right here on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the cap. A second sealant in here just for extra protection. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that as well. It has a really nice fragrance to it. It's very light. Pouring it just a few drops on the cotton pad. So the texture is not heavy at all on my face. After you're done applying the toner, it's time for the serum. And the serum also has a protectant cap on it that you can just slide off. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands first, just so that we can see the texture. And put a bit on my face. And it's really not sticky at all. I'm really surprised, because usually sometimes serums are a bit sticky, but this one is really nice and light, and it glides right on. And it feels really nice and refreshing as well. And last step is the emulsion. So same way, we're gonna take off the cap, rotating it. Okay, there you go. And then we're going to, as you can see, it's really not sticky at all. It bounces right off my finger. And then you're going to lightly pat it onto your face. So it's very absorbent and very nice and light. So that's really